Hi, everybody. Hi, it's Captain Coco, and let's talk about science some more. Today, we want to talk about chemistry. Ooh, chemistry. Can you say chemistry? Very good. Chemistry is the study of physical atoms. It's the study of stuff, of all of the things around us, like air, and like this tie, and like trees, and like everything. So, what is chemistry? Chemistry is the part of science that involves studying materials, things, substances, and how they react with each other, interact with each other, change each other. Chemistry applies to so many different things around us. For example, what is water? Water is hydrogen and oxygen. And when they combine, we get two hydrogens and an oxygen, H2O, water. That's chemistry. Chemistry is important to so many things. It's a very basic science that explains things like water bubbling, or an egg cooking, or what happens when you mix two different things. Chemistry is important, and it's a really fun science. So, raise your hand if you're smart. Good, good. Please don't forget, study your chemistry, study your atoms, study your electrons, study your protons, study your neutrons, and don't forget to study your books too. So we learned so much about chemistry. You know what would be a really neat chemical reaction? Is if you like and subscribe. You see that like and subscribe button? If you press that, it will be very good. It will be good for Captain Coco, and it will be good for you, and we could talk more about science. Okay? All right. Good talking to you. We talk to you again soon. Be brave, behave, and be happy. Bye-bye, sailors.